Hey there, I'm going to show you how you can use your own quote file. So it's pretty easy. You just go to chatbotshop.net and select from the scripts to use on top in the menu. Go to your own quote file, which will bring you to this screen right here. You can click the uploader and select your file through this button and put in your secret key, which is the same as your password, and you just upload your text file, which will look sort of like, let me go check this. The text file will look like this, I guess. Why isn't that showing? Okay, like this. It's simple, just one line or one row per entry, whatever you want to display. Please note that this can only be a maximum of 600 characters to be shown in your message box in your flow. If it's longer than that, we'll just cut it off, so please take note. Anyway, if you want to use the daily display, let me go back there, remove that one. Okay, if you want to use the daily display, this one row per day, it's different every day. You need to have 600 or 365 rows, one for each day, of course. If you don't, and the day number of the year, for instance, say you have only 100 lines in your file and it's the 113th day in the year, it will automatically go back to the default random display. So just put in something here, your random key or your secret key. Copy this little section into your ManyChat. Let's go have a look over there. Let me check. It is over here now. You just go to your ManyChat, go to the dynamic content section, go to your body, put in the URL that you can see right here, this one in yellow. Just copy that and put it in your ManyChat request URL section over here and paste the JSON code that you will see at the bottom here, this section. Just copy that and put it in here and you are good to go. Test request, and you can see it will show something here and it's different every time. You see it's Iowa Film Critics, and if I do it again, it's Florida Film Critics. So this will be different every time. As you can see on the left here in my messenger box, I tested it. I can do it again, publish, preview, and here we go. I can say yep, and it will just show you. There you go. I think if I press this one again, it will show me another one. And it will be the same, which is remarkable. Or maybe am I using, oh no, this is another one. As you can see, Village Voice Film Paul. So that's it, it's pretty easy. Just try it out, it's fun, and you can basically quote whatever you want. Thank you.